Welcome to Tranquil Wing Design Studio. So this project we are working on a kids hostel. It's for boys from 6th standard to 12. Let's see how it turned out to be. Just 2 weeks back, we visited the site. We had in-depth discussions as to what should be done so that the students feel at home. The school management was too keen to make sure that the students get the best experience in the hostel room. Only electric work was done, and then began the search for the best beds for this room. Which bed, which light, which chair, or which mattress to opt for, so that this room could become a nurturing heaven for the kids. Many people worked overnight to make things happen. It seriously took an army to accomplish the task, but when the intentions are in the right place, nothing is impossible. We got a few kids in to take their feedback as to what works for them and what we can improve upon. These smart kids tested every possible parameter and chose what they liked the most. Finally, post the furniture was settled in, it was time to make this place a little more tranquil. It's almost ready. You can have a look now.
Call me Bucky, niggas lucky that I'm innocent. If I didn't have no morals, I'd be menacing. How a nigga rapping conscious but he ignorant? How he from the hood but still gon' go legitimate? How he fuck a bunch of bitches but they still respect the women? He still rollin' this another, he just got the windows tinted. Homie stabbed me in the back and that can never be forgiven. And my palms been itching, man, I like the superstition. You can't have my phone number unless we running up the digits. Let me meditate, I just need a couple minutes. Tryna low bump me, my cojones to the big ass. Bitch, I get high. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like yeah. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. Bitch, I get, bitch, I get, bitch, I get. Let me meditate, then I celebrate. Tryna get the cake, I don't take a break. Yeah, bitch, wait. Grew up in the 90s, we was watching Ricky Lake. We was eating top ramen, no a TV dinner plate. Made that couple dollars, so I probably get the steak. Go on out at John and Venice, I told Quentin I'll be late. Ay, I'm so epidemic, I'ma cause an epidemic. Put my feet up in the building, bitch, I'm feeling like a bitch, I get high. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian. Yeah, I'm headed to the Bucks, then I'm ballin' like yeah. I ain't looking at the clock, still ballin' like Brian.
So finally the room is all done. We have seen the room and now let's ask the final question. Do you like the room or not?
Yeah, we like the room.
You बेचारे भाई को मजा too much of pressure.
Okay, leave it.
Thank you. You like it, no? You like it, that's what I want.